I am gonna be talking about limits. This is the first problem that I'm gonna be solving. The limit of the first problem is 5. The first thing that I have to do in this problem is plug in the number 5 on the x's and then solve the problem. So I am gonna add 11 plus 5. So 11 plus 5 is 16, and then you are gonna subtract 7 minus 5. That is 2. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So at the end your limit is gonna be 8. That is the answer for the first problem. This is the second problem that I'm gonna be solving. The limit of this problem is 2. The first thing that I have to do is factor this problem since it is very big and long. So I'm gonna take out the x and I'm gonna have left x squared minus 4x plus 4. And in the bottom I am gonna factor 2. I am gonna take out the negative 3, and in the inside of the parentheses I'm gonna have negative 2 plus x. Now that I factor that, I am gonna erase the x minus 2 from the top and the x minus 2 from the bottom. What I am gonna have left is x, open parentheses, x minus 2, close parentheses, divided by 3. Now that I already simplified the problem, I'm gonna plug in the limit, that is 2, so I'm gonna plug it in the x's. So it is gonna be 2, open parentheses, 2 minus 2, close parentheses, divided by negative 3. If I subtract 2 minus 2, it's gonna be 0. So if I multiply 2 times 0, it's gonna be 0. Divided by 3, the answer is gonna be 0. So the limit is 0. That is the answer for number 2. Thanks to this, I learned a lot about the theme limits. Now I know how to solve problems about limits better, and now I'm gonna be able to solve problems of limits on the final exam much better, much easier, and much faster, since now I practiced a lot thanks to this final project. Thank you, Miss.